come on the stage to present memento to our chief guest. It is with great respect and gratitude that we are going to present the token of appreciation to our esteemed chief guest, Colonel Gaurav Thapa. This memento is a special gesture of our heartfelt thanks for gracing us with your presence.
It doesn't matter if the world don't stop by, if they don't hear your cries, if they don't read your story, so what? You have to begin again. Remember, you have so much to gain. Leap over that wall and let the situation spin, because at the end, you win. And this time, they will all come around because you are the winner and you have left everybody spellbound. Now it's time for our prize distribution ceremony. Now it's time to honor and appreciate the students who have secured excellent marks in academics. So, from class 2nd, the toppers of academics whose exceptional performance has truly earned the well-deserved position, Gurkirat Sharma. First position bagged by Gurkirat Sharma, second by Kamal Pratap Singh, third by Gurrahmat Kaur and Advik Kumar. Please give a thunderous clap for the winners. Now from class 3rd, first position Yuvraj Singh, second position Eknoor Kaur, third position Devyansh, and third position Alwin. These are the toppers of class 3rd. Third class, first prize Yuvraj Singh, second Eknoor Kaur, third Devyansh, and third position Alwin. Now in class 4th, first position secured by Takdeer Kaur, second by Harshil, and third by Jasmine Kaur. First position Takdeer Kaur, second Harshil, and third Jasmine Kaur. In class 5th, first position secured by Sukhinder Sidhu, second by Kashvi Singla, and third by Narbir Kaur Sandhu. And now we are thrilled to announce Appreciation Award for the students who secured 97% and above in academics. From class 2nd, we have Arush Garg, Jasnoor Kaur, Mehtab Singh Nehal, Varis Gani, Aradhya Sharma, Kapish Goyal, Keshav Jindal, Sarthak Jindal, Gurfateh Singh, Japleen Kaur, and Jaya. These are the students of class 2nd who secured more than 97% marks in academics. Please give a big round of applause for these students. Now we have Pavreet Kaur, Anika, Ishan, Jai Singh, Mankirat Singh, Yashika, Gurkanwar Singh, Hasreet Kaur, Prabjot Kaur, Ritvik Bansal, and Samreet Kaur from class 2nd, who secured more than 97% in academics. From class 3rd, Lavin Rishi, Pranvi, Sanaya Garg, Gurkirat Kaur, Gaural Bansal, Naitik, and Baneet Kaur. These are the students of class 3rd who have got more than 97% marks. From class 4th, Yuvraj Garg, Bhavesh Jain, Raghav Garg, Tanshi, Vamika, Agamjot Singh Bhatia, and Harman Kaur. These are the students of class 4th who secured more than 97% marks in the academics. Now from class 5th, we have Harshan Kaur, Sachman Kaur, Gurnoor Kaur, Parmeet Kaur, Seerat Billing, and Dishan Kaur. Now, to honor the dedication and commitment of those who have shown exemplary dedication by attending every class, we are proud to present 100% attendance award. So from class 2nd, 100% attendance award goes to Kapish Goyal, Jaskirat Singh, Arpandeep Kaur, Namjot Singh, Sahajpreet Kaur Chahal, Puneet Kaur, Tarmanjot Kaur, Gunmeet Kaur, and Manjot Kaur. Now 100% award for class 3rd, we have Gurpratap Singh, Avneet Kaur, Lovepreet Kaur, Gursimran Singh, Hardik Bansal, Sahajdeep Singh, Armandeep Singh, Japveer Singh Maan, and Arman Singh. These are the students of class 3rd with 100% attendance. From class 4th, Akashveer Singh, Rachit Kaura, Prakshi, Manraj Singh, and Harkirat Singh. From class 5th, we have Husandeep Kaur, Har Updesh Kaur, Japneet Kaur, Jasnoor Singh, Sachman Kaur, Yasmeen Kaur, Parmeet Kaur, Tanveer Singh, Harkirat Kaur, Sahibdeep Singh, and Sahajveer Singh with 100% attendance. These are the students that attend every class without any fail. So please give a big round of applause for their commitment and regularity. And a big round of applause for the parents also, because their 100% attendance award is equally shared by the parents also. Now we are proud to present the award for outstanding achievement in sports. 42 students of class 3rd to 5th are selected for state level competition in Punjab Primary Games. So in hockey, Ramneek Singh, Abhijot Singh, Balkirat Singh, Ranveer Singh, Navkirat Kaur, Gursirat Kaur, Gurmandeep Kaur, Navnoor Kaur, and Hargun Kaur. These are the students that are selected for the state in hockey. These students have excelled under the guidance of their coaches, Mr. Satinder Pal Singh and Mrs. Asha. Now the students of badminton, Likesh Garg, Mehtab Singh Nehal, Mansirat Kaur, and Kushali Kumar. These are the students that got gold medal in badminton in district level, and now they are selected for state. Under the guidance of their coach, Mrs. Sarabjit Kaur. These students have excelled in badminton under the guidance of Abhishek, Mr. Abhishek. Now in gymnastics, we have Gurjot Singh, Mannat, and Karavi. Now in karate, we have Nitesh Mohan and Lav Pratap Singh. Under the guidance of Mr. Mohan. Now, football, Sahajjot Singh is selected for state level. Now in handball, we have Samarpit and Simran Pratap Singh, under the guidance of the coach, Mrs. Sarabjit Kaur. Samarpit and Simran Pratap Singh is selected for state level competition of handball. Now in athletics, we have Veetinder Vishisht, Subheg Singh, and Puneet Kaur. They are selected for state level under the guidance of their coaches, Mr. Satinder Pal Singh and Mr. Rajvinder Singh. Now in tug of war, Fateh Singh, Tanveer Singh, Akashveer Singh, Karanveer Singh, Gurneet Singh, Pardeep Singh, Gurjot Singh, and Harmanjot Singh. These students have secured first position in district level, and now they are selected for the state under the guidance of their coach, Mr. Rajvinder Singh Randhawa. In roller skating, we have Kanwardeep Singh and Gurseerat Singh. Kanwardeep Singh and Gurseerat Kaur. Under the guidance of the coach, Ramandeep Singh. With immense pride and joy, we are delighted to announce that Seerat, Alampreet Singh and Ranveer Bawa, talented students of our school, has brought great honor by they are selected in the national championship in wrestling. Please give a big round of applause for these students. Under the guidance of coach Mrs. Lashmi. Now in gymnastics, Mansirat of 5th class got bronze medal in the state level, and now she has also brought us a great honor by winning the bronze medal at the state level competition of Punjab Primary Games. Mansirat Kaur. Under the guidance of Mrs. Ashu. Now, with immense pride and joy, we are delighted to announce that Fatehveer Singh, Manheer Singh, Jaskirat Singh and Saksham got 3rd position. They have won bronze medal in the state level competition of Punjab Primary Games in athletics. Under the guidance of Mr. Rajvinder Singh Randhawa and Mr. Satinder Pal Singh. And Mrs. Asha Rani. Let's congratulate the students for their remarkable achievements in music. In group song, Aisha Rajput, Mannat Rajput, Sukhdeep Kaur, Yuvraj Kaushal, Vanshika, Pihul, Taranveer Kaur, Adarshveer Singh, Sanaya Garg and Vaishnavi got 1st position in group song. These students have excelled in music competition under the guidance of Mr. Deepak Rajdhan and Mrs. Jagdeep Kaur. Now in solo song, 1st position by Sahib Milap Singh, 2nd position by Jasman Kaur and 3rd position by Gurseerat Kaur. We would like to thank Mr. Devinder Singh, who have done remarkable guidance for the students in achieving great achievements in sports. And now, Navkiran Kaur. She got 1st position in Punjabi poem recitation competition by Falcons Sahodya Inter-School Sangrur. Kavita Ucharan organized by Sikh Missionary College Ludhiana. Poem recitation inter-zonal competition organized by Sikh Missionary College Ludhiana, and 1st position in lecture competition organized by Guru Gobind Singh Study Circle Sangrur. And now we have the teachers exemplary dedication and consistency of our teachers in maintaining 100% attendance. So first we have Miss Srishti, Miss Manju Gupta, Miss Kajal Sidhu, and Miss Ravneet Kaur.
Thank you so much all the dignitaries for joining us in prize distribution ceremony.
भारत माता के शीश मुकुट की शान हूं मैं, करोड़ों भारतीयों का अभिमान हूं मैं। वैसे तो बहुत दयावान हूं मैं, पर दुश्मन की मौत का सामान हूं मैं। माँ भारती की रक्षा में प्राण न्योछावर करता देश का वीर जवान हूं मैं। एक माँ से दूर तो क्या हुआ, भारत माँ के पास हूं मैं। हर देशवासी की सुरक्षित रहने की आस हूं मैं। दुश्मन के दिल में भरता त्रास हूं मैं। भारत माँ के चरणों में शीश निवाता एक दास हूं मैं, और दुश्मन के विफल करता हर प्रयास हूं मैं। हर एक भारतवासी का अखंड विश्वास हूं मैं। बस तू रो मत माँ, दूर होकर भी तेरे आस पास हूं मैं। जानता हूं तेरे लिए सबसे खास। लिपटा लाया जाऊंगा, पर वादा है तुझसे मैं वापस जरूर आऊंगा। हमारे देश के वीर जवानों का बलिदान, उनकी मेहनत और उनका समर्पण शब्दों से परे है। यह सिर्फ एक शब्द नहीं, बल्कि देश की अखंडता, सम्मान और सुरक्षा की नींव है। इन जवानों का जीवन सिर्फ लड़ाई तक सीमित नहीं है, उनका